Hello everybody, this is part 2 of my 1980s dirt bike build, and today I'm going to be showing off some things that have recently happened to the bike since part 1, and just some little things after that. Okay, so first big noticeable thing, I now have levers. Clutch lever is just, they're cheap Chinese ones I got. Nothing special. The mirror's off of an old bike my grandfather had, and he just had them laying over here, so I used those. I have my brake lever, but I ran into an issue. The bike does not have a banjo bolt, so I actually need to replace this brake line because it is, lean the bike over, it is cracked down at the bottom, and it would probably leak anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and replace that. Going on to the back of the bike, I couldn't find a original rear fender, so I made my own out of the scooter fender that you saw in the last video. Nothing special, that's just how it is. Wiring is done. The puddle underneath, it's leaking coolant from one of the lines. I think one of the lines has a hole in it. All the wiring's done. It has spark. The spark plug's laying right there. I just have it out because it's easier to move. So yeah. The battery is currently in it, which now, this is the bike off, bike on, and the battery came disconnected because I have nothing holding it in. Nothing special. Hold on. Let me just slide-a-rooney that in. Now if I turn this, the headlight lights up nice and bright. It is a whole lot brighter than that, but you get the picture. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry, people. The chain's on. Carburetor. The throttle now works. But yeah, this is part 2 of the build log. I still don't have a shifter. I'm trying to find one that fits it because the one I bought doesn't work. So we'll see how that goes. I got all my Wiseco stickers, my All Balls Racing sticker on it, and it gives it more horsepower. I just got done painting that. I think I'm going to go over the entire bike again with some flat paint and go over it with gloss again. So yeah, there's part 2 of the build log. Just a little update. More will come soon when the rest of the parts come in. See you guys.